to my class. My name is Rio. But before that, can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, that's perfect. How are you doing?
I'm fine. How about you, teacher?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Oh, our lesson for today is about sympathy versus empathy. What's the difference?
What?
Okay, before we will dig deep on our discussion about sympathy versus empathy, do you know what's a sympathy? Can you give me one word that you can associate with the word sympathy?
Sorrow.
Oh, that's correct. Oh, how about empathy?
It's like putting yourself in the shoes of another.
Oh, that's good. But before that, can we practice your R sound words? Can you please repeat after me? Yourself.
Yourself.
That's correct. How about another?
Another.
Okay, that's perfect. Do you have any questions?
None so far.
Okay, so let's move on to our next activity. All you have to do is to fill in the blank. Kindly read the question and answer it.
Sarah's friend just lost a family member and is having a difficult time. She says to her friend, "I'm sorry for you." Sarah is expressing sympathy in this scenario.
Okay, that's perfect. How about the next question? Kindly read and answer it.
Jason's friend Mike is going through a very difficult time. Jason focuses on really trying to understand what his friend is going through and put himself in Mike's shoes. Jason is expressing empathy.
Now let's try to apply what you have learned. Can you give me one statement that expresses empathy?
I understand how hard this is for you.
Okay, that's good. On with our activity. It's a feedback time. Please practice more on your R sound words. Don't be scared to make mistake and practice speaking English. I hope to see you in my next class. Goodbye!